Why do you think David said, I have more understanding than my world teachers? His levels in understanding. Didn't you see when he said, it is as a light that shines in a dark place until the day dawns, which means there is a little
What's
light
up? What's up? What's up? Good afternoon. Good day. What's up? What's up? Where are you joining from? It's another day. Tell me where you guys are joining from. Hey, Mr. Akin Ogunlakin. How are you? Good afternoon, boss. Good afternoon, sir. Tell me where you guys are joining from. It's another session today, and we will be crushing the market. Akin is joining from Ibadan. Delma Academy, what's up with you? How's working family? Amazing here. Thanks for checking. Hey, Kochuku, good afternoon. Good afternoon, my brother. God's power from Ogun State. Good to have you on, God's power. How you guys all doing today? How's the week been for you? How's your trading been this week? Good to have you all. Yeah. Wale Fayomi joining from Lagos. Thank you for joining, Wale. Ola Meren. This is Ola Meren. Good to have you. Alex Paul. Super coach. God bless you real good. Amen. How you doing, Alex? How you doing, Alex? Super excited from here, from Abuja. Fantastic. How's Abuja? So, guys, for the next 1 minute, let's click on the share button. Let's share. Let's increase the visibility that we have right now. Hey, Joseph, joining from Lagos. Good to have you on. You're welcome. Let's share. Everybody, let's do that in the next 20 minutes, next 30 seconds. Let's do that. I'm sharing. Hey, Omonike Johnson, how are you? I'm sharing. Once you share, type in 7. Let's do this together. Omosoya Adekunle, good afternoon. Mayor, good afternoon. Let's go. Share. Exceedingly. Anthony Demitokbe, good afternoon, boss. Good afternoon, my brother. Let's share. Let's share. Good afternoon to able coach of all season. This is me reporting from Lagos. Thank you so much. Cyril David, good afternoon. Good to have you on today. Please share. Let's help other people see this before we go get started. Get your pen. Get your notes, get your pen. You need that, except you want to rewatch everything all over again. I'm sharing to the Forex groups that I am. Then we'll take it off from there. If you're not sharing, you're not helping, you're not contributing. I've been doing this for about 2 years right now, every Wednesday. You need to support. I'm not asking you for any money, but at least support. Support by sharing. That's all. Good afternoon, Adewale. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Adewale, were you the one that sent the trade you picked with ITC? There's an Adewale that's the forward his testimonial to me. I'm excited for him. Chris Eze, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Peter Tadafe, good afternoon. Oh, fantastic. Adewale, that's how we rock and roll it. I'm happy for you. Congratulations. That's how to grow. Just keep at it. Keep repeating the same thing over and over again. You are very, very close. Very, very close. So just keep driving it, keep practicing, keep repeating the same process over and over again. You'll be good. Ọ̀pọ̀ ọlá Olúwa ń bẹ lórí ayé mi o. Ó ń gbé mi fò, ó ń gbé mi sáré. Ó ń bẹ o. Èyí ni mẹ́túrì náà bọ̀ tó bọ́lá lórí ayé mi o. Ó ń gbé mi fò. Oh, yeah. Lórí ayé mi, oh. Come on, guys, let's share. If you have shared this video, type in 5. Then be sure you are also supporting the vision. Let me know you guys are supporting the vision. Mi fò yàyà mi nada, mi sáré, yo. Good afternoon, sir. Luafemi, good afternoon. Good to have you. Afolabi Victor, good afternoon, sir. Adekule says, that's my song. Oh, really? That's good. West Henry, how you doing, West Henry? Good to have you on. 5, your share, thank you. Emuka says, nice voice, thank you. Oluwafemi from Abeokuta, hey, good to have you. Mark Piles, good afternoon from Victoria Island. Yeah, good afternoon, my brother. Gracie Genius, how you doing, sis? I love you when ladies trade Forex. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. So how's your trading been? Let's analyze what I dropped for you guys last week. I gave you guys some amazing setup last week. How many of us made money from those trades? Hey! Those trades last week was off the hook. How many of us, I gave you guys GA, gave you guys some amazing trade last week. And I said, all you need to do is to trade your confirmations and you'll be good to go. Yeah. So I gave you we spoke about GBPAUD. I said either you buy at this zone or you buy at this zone last week. And if you had bought on those zones last week, if you had bought on those zones last week, they were yeah, this was the 2 hour zone. Like, geez, like about 200 pips last week. We are taking that trade last week. This was the entry. 200 pips is a lot of anywhere in any amount is a good trade. It's a good trade. Then I also gave you guys AUD USD for a sell last week, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I spoke about this Wednesday. This was a Friday trade. So if you are taking this trade from this setup, you would have made good money. How many pips was that? How many pips? About 61 pips. Not bad. GJ. 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 So this was last week, GJ, Wednesday. So what happened? It didn't come back to this demand, but he just used another order block here and it took off for a for a 500 pips. Woo! 500 pips is a lot of money. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. So, how many trades have you picked this week? How's your trade been this week? Tell me. How's your trade been this week? Tell me. Great. How's your trade been this week? How many trades have you picked this week? How many trades have you won this week? That day. You guys know that we work together here. So I need your response. I need your response. How many trades? Adewale Olushola. Good to have you on. So we have FOMC today. Glorious Prayer Group. Good to have you. Okay. Alex Paul said, I didn't pick any trade, but working on myself, internalizing what you have taught us last week. Hey, fantastic. I didn't see some of you's video. You guys promised to send me 1 minute video. Some of you didn't send it. Not bad. I took GU buy, still in profit. Fantastic. Cyril said, awful, Mr. Mayowa, but can't give up. At this point, it is still a learning curve for me, though 2 trades so far, lost both. Okay. My setup is fine, but entry na wahala. So you have to keep practicing, David. Keep practicing. Just make sure you are not practicing with your live account, which is what I see a lot of people do. Okay. So what I say a lot of people do is that they practice with live account. And when you practice with your live account, you will be stressing you'll be stressing yourself. So let demo be demo, understand what you're doing, then you can now scale up. You know, you can now scale up. But if you're not practicing, if you're not being determined, if you're not demo trading to get your hands really dirty so that you can understand it, then you're going to be missing out, because that's what is missing in a lot of people's journey. You know, they are aggressive with their trading, you know, but they are not obeying the rule of the game. And because they are not obeying the process, they keep donating. And that's what me I don't like. When you are not doing well, the wisdom part is for you to withdraw, not withdraw from trading, but withdraw into a practice mode. I, as successful as I am by the grace of God, I still have demo account. I still have demo account. Not because I want to have demo, but because I want to keep practicing. So please keep practicing, and I can guarantee you that it will lead to success. Are they doing, for me, no trade yet, just observing. Fantastic. Okay, so the report we have for this week is telling us this week trade, okay, this week trade for intraday, GBP is strong. GBP is strong. GBP is strong for this week. And if GBP is strong for this week, it means I'm not going to be buying any GBP. I'm not going to be selling any GBP pair. So GBP is strong. Euro is strong. JPY is weak. Then USD is weak. So if I'm going to be combining this pair together, what are you going to be doing? Hey, Okocha John, good to have you. What are we going to be having this week? For short-term trade, what are we going to be having this week for short-term trade? So if you go by GBP strong, Euro strong, JPY weak, USD weak for this week. So that will lead us to saying GJ buy, EJ buy, EGU buy, EU buy. So now, is this bias 100%? This is only the index report, the COT report. So I don't need to just go, I won't go to the chart. Yes, you're right, Adeolu. So I won't just go to the chart and start buying. No, I have to now back it up with my technical analysis to be able to trade and play in the direction of the order. The direction of the order. Okay? And that's the same thing with we've dropped for those that subscribe for the COT report, COT data report, you know, for this week. So if that is the case, if the institutions are buying, I don't want to sell. No matter how it looks like, no matter how in, I don't want to sell. Hey, Mr. Daniel, how is it going? Good. So, but on the long run, I want to stick to this for both, but for both long term and short term trade. This is what I want to stick to. Then every other one, maybe as we go into it, we're going to go further. So that's my analysis. That's the order flow for the week that I will be majoring on, and that's what we're even majoring on in the paid group. So tell me, guys, what pair should we analyze today? And I want to congratulate those that joined the order flow change strategy. Wow! Woo! Wow! Those that bought the course, congratulations. In the group, we analyzed the we gave the analysis. We dropped our first trade in the group yesterday, which made a lot of sense for people. I'm really excited. It was a 6 pip stop loss trade, and we are still holding it. It's a 6 pip stop loss trade. If you're not there, you are missing. EuroCard was amazing since yesterday, where we picked it. Currently, he has given 1 to 28. Everybody type in 1 to 28. 1 to 28 risk reward is a lot. So this was the trade yesterday, 1 to 28. That means that if you risk 10 pips on this, if you risk $10 on this trade, you would have made $280. If you risk $1 on this trade, you would have made $28. Like, it's not a must you trade every day. You just want to trade in alignment with the report. That's basically what we do in that group. And this was our first trade yesterday. Makes a lot of sense. Like, made a lot of sense. I'm pumped up about it. One Chuku says, just joining. Good to have you. Alex says, yeah, Cyril, 1 to 28. That's a lot, bro. That's a lot. 1 to 28 is a lot. So this afternoon, we are waiting for another pair. Is setting up. Once it's set up, we'll drop it on that group. I'm excited for the order flow change strategy. It's a trade-less analysis, no more babysitting pair. Just trade what the institutions are trading, and you're good to go. I'm excited. Congratulations for those in the group there. It's a good one for you guys. That's a good one. Imagine somebody risked $20 and he has made $460. $20. Right. He has made $560 with just one trade. 500. You have even made back the money you used to buy the course. Congratulations. So guys, let's get to work. Alex says this is real life transforming. Yeah. I'm grateful. I'm excited. I'm grateful to God. Olúwa ń bẹ lórí ayé mi o, ń gbé mi fò. Hey, Olúwafẹ́mi Ṣóbánkẹ́ says first time joining. Congratulations. Good to have you on. Good to have you here. So what pair do you want us to start with? We have 4 pairs to treat this week. Drop your analysis. I'll give you my bias. I've always told you I can be wrong and I can be right. But guys, it's not about prediction. It's about probability. If you have not watched that video, you are missing. You have not watched that training on how to compound your account. I poured out my mind like for real, like for real. I poured out my mind. If you have not watched that video, you're gonna be missing it. Good to have you. So Boko says we should check Euro NZD. Please, can you analyze SRP 500 and EU? Daniel Elechi says GN and EN. Mr. Daniel, you are in the mentorship group now. You are a guru already now. Why are you following my hand now? You're not meant to be here. You are nailed down. You already know what we are doing now. So you don't even need me to analyze. Okay, Omoike says gold and EU. Gold and EU. Okay. Please, sir, can you analyze SRP 500 and EU? So it's basically the way I do the Wednesday session is that you guys will drop, then you back up, you second. If there's nobody telling us to follow on what you're saying, then nobody, I can't. So you have to second what's happening there. How can I get into the group? You buy the course. To get into the group, you buy the course. Guys, can we like this video, please? We are 40, but only 4 likes. Don't mind them. Oh yeah, I will not analyze any charts if all of you don't like. Oh yeah, like. Don't mind them, Alex. Oh yeah, like. If you did not like, I will not analyze. Thank you for telling them. That's how they used to come. They will not like. Oh yeah, like. I will not analyze. Thank you for telling them. Oh yeah, like. Everybody should like. Let's take all the likes right now. Oh yeah, like, share. Let the like. If the like does not get to more than 30, I will not analyze. They are just coming. You are drinking from my well, and you cannot appreciate my well. I don't understand. Click like. No analysis. What is it? If the like does not increase, I will not. Thank you for telling them, Jerry. I will analyze GJ. Everything you want me to analyze, I will analyze. But like, let the like increase. No like, no like. You'll be coming every time. You'll be enjoying life, free analysis. You'll be making money. Simple like, simple share. You cannot share. I have liked every Wednesday. I will like all the people. Thank you, Mr. Mayowa. You're welcome, my brother. Gloria says, how much, sir? It's $500 for the course. And you will join the community. But no mentorship, it's just course. But you'll be in the group where we discuss. Okay. Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah. I'm waiting. Pa. No do, no gain. I be no. Oh yeah, let me check. How many people have like? No like, no trading. No like, no trading, no analysis. 25. Some people are still shy to like. I don't understand. Thank you. Thank you, Alex Dari. So basically, I will always like. Thank you so much, sir. You're welcome. So some people says GU, GJ, GJ, GU, EJ, EU. So we'll do EU number 1, then we do EU, EJ. So let's go to work. Quick. Okay, so I'm going to buy Euro GBP JPY right now. I don't know why I missed that trigger. Let's see if it can come back. If it can come back, I'm going to be buying, and my stop loss is 8 pips. Depending on where you went in, I'm going to be buying Euro US, sorry, GBP. I'm on GBP JPY right now. But today is FOMC, so I'm going to be reducing my entry because today is FOMC. I will not go in sound. I will go reduce my entry because of FOMC. I don't want to be triggered unnecessarily. So we've dropped this trade on the group on 1 minute chart. It's coming back. Let me see. So I'm risking I'm risking 9 pips. Use your calculator. Use your calculator. The person you are trading with does not risk. You if you come to my community and you are trading anyhow, use your calculator to know what you're risking. So this has met all my trading rules, and I'm going to be risking it's back to my entry, so I'm going to be risking 9 to 10 pips on this trade, and I'm willing to lose this trade, this account, but I'm willing to lose this trade, but I put my risk there. So use your calculator. It's already coming towards my stop loss, but I trade my intraday strategy is on 1 minute chart, so I'm willing to risk this. Then let's see what we can get at this zone. So this is a good trade. Then I'm going to be risking 1 to 5. Somebody just dropped it in our trading community. Okay, so it's almost at the stop loss. So the reason why I stay in most cases in the trade is because I have calculated my risk. So I know how much I am losing. If you are not doing that, it's not wisdom. So let's go to Euro JPY. So to trade Euro JPY, we have this zone and this zone. So I'm going to drop this analysis on the group for you guys. So I'm going to be buying either here with my confirmation. You have to also trade your confirmation, or you also do here your own confirmation. But my bias is that I will be buying for the week. That's my bias for the week. Okay. Ó ń gbé mi fò, ó ń gbé mi sáré. So this is my bias for Euro. So you use your calculator, use your strategy, your entry strategy to go in on this trade. Ó ń gbé mi sáré, ọwọ́ Olúwa ń bẹ lórí ayé mi. I'll drop this for you guys on the group. on the free group. If you are not on the free group, you are missing. Euro APY. So GJ is almost at my stop loss now, and already looking to clear my stop loss. Ó ń gbé mi fò dáadáa tí ó ń gbé mi sáré. I'm still in it, but my bias is still buy. My bias is still buy in that zone. Ọwọ́ Olúwa ń bẹ. Sir, there is bank holiday today. Okocha, reach out to this number. How do I buy the course? Reach out to Bukola on this number. Reach out to Bukola on this number. So I've dropped euro. I've dropped euro JPY. So for coach, yeah, just reach out to Bukola. She will get you started. So where are we? So GJ bias is also buy. So GJ is in that zone. GJ is also in that zone. So I'll drop GJ analysis too. So I have these two places to buy GJ. Either I'm buying here where it is right now. That is why I took that buy. But because there's FOMC today, our intraday strategy says we should be careful with it. Because in the next few hours, the whole market will shake. By 7 p.m., the whole market will shake. So a lot of time, I recommend you honor FOMC and don't trade. But if you are really like, I want to trade, reduce your risk. It makes you sound, doesn't disturb you. So I'm dropping GJ2 for intraday. Ó ń gbé mi fò. GBPJPY. I've dropped Euro JPY, I've dropped GBPJPY. Any other one? So join the free group. This is it. This is the link to join the free group. Charles says I'm late to class. Is that right? That's to join the free group. Great. That's the link to join the free group. So I've analyzed GJ. I've analyzed Ọwọ́ Olúwa ń bẹ. So if Emmanuel Oluwatobi says, what about AUD USD? If USD is weak for the week, what do you expect to see on AUD USD? So don't see, one of the things I also want you guys to do, don't just come to my session and be waiting for my analysis. I've always told you that every strategy works when you are able to know the direction of the order flow. Every strategy works when it's in alignment with the order flow. Type that in the comment box. Let's go. Every strategy works when you're trading with the order flow. So if the order flow says that they are weak, they are selling USD for the week, it means that if USD is weak, every other pair against USD will be strong. So Emmanuel, that is how to combine the other. Then you now go and use your strategy on it. Your strategy could be RSI. Your strategy could be break and retest. Any strategy you are using is dependent on what the institutions are doing. And if the institutions are buying, you buy. If the institutions are selling, you sell. Have I helped you, Emmanuel Oluwatobi? That's the way to master this market. If not, you're going to be struggling because you will be trading and you would be having issues with your trading. And I don't want you to have issues with your trading because a lot of times this is what a lot of people go through. I don't want that for you. I don't want that for you. So every strategy, that's why if you want to really be successful, you want to understand how to interpret the index. You want to understand how to interpret the index, or interpret the COT report. Very important. Every strategy work if it flows with the other. That's right. IK. IK, you there yet? Yeah, that's it. GJ is in profit. How long can we hold? That's West, I will shoot you. West, don't you have a strategy? I only gave you with the other flow now. Don't fall my hand, West. West, don't fall my hand now. You need to have an entry and exit strategy. IK is a new friend I introduced. Oh, I see. Thank you, Okocha John, to your channel. Oh, I see. Nice one. Yeah, the order flow is what matters. So I've analyzed. I've dropped GJ for you guys. I've dropped GJ. I've dropped EJ. So what I've dropped in the group, you will now use it with your own strategy. So type in the strategy you guys are using. Type that in. Type in the strategy you're using. Type in the strategy you're using. So any strategy you're using, Ichimoku Cloud, what's it called? Trend line, RSI, these, all of those strategies you're using, then you will use it with the the zones that I've dropped for you. Sir, I am following your exit strategy, risk ratio 5, first TP, and I'm using 1 minute chart. Is this okay? It's okay, but what you said now is not my strategy. It's not my trading strategy. It's only my exit strategy. Okay, Wale says engulfing at an entry criteria. Fantastic. Just use a strategy that you have mastered. You'll be good. I don't even get any. I just did learn. Lie. Omoike Johnson, stop giving us bobo. Omoike Johnson has been trading for a while. Omoike Johnson has been trading for a while. Okocha says Fibonacci. I love Fibonacci. I love Fibonacci. Falcon with chart entry. Fantastic. So go and use the Falcon and the chart entry on the zone that I have dropped for you in the direction of the order flow. That's what matters. That's what matters. So let's go to EU and gold. So that's EU and gold. Ọwọ́ Olúwa ń bẹ lórí ayé mi o. These are the areas of my interest. Area of interest, sorry. But my bias is buy. I'm buying. So I might not pick any trade today till tomorrow because of FOMC. I don't want that. I don't want that spread. I don't want spread out spreading. I don't want that. So I might not pick any trade apart from the one we've taken. Okay. So my bias for EU is buy. By next week, you'll see that I will buy. So that's it. So any of these zone, look for a buy. And the reason is because the unfilled order is the one that will determine it is where the unfilled orders are that will determine the zone that we hold. So stop fighting and saying, this is the zone. I want this zone to hold. Okay? I've been holding gold since. I think with gold, I should be able to hold gold till I should be able to hold gold. Gold might have to find its way here before we sell. Because USD is not on a major sell right now. That's the major challenge we have. USD is not ready for a sell. So if USD is not strong on the long term, we can't sell gold. We're still going to be buying gold. Okay? So my bias is to keep buying gold. I have a buy there I'm holding. We spoke about it last week in the community. I'm still holding it. A lot of analysis outside there are saying we should sell gold. Okay, but at least I'll buy to this place, take some partials, then I will hold it possibly to 26,000, 22,000. Because if you understand stick and flag pattern, this is your stick, this is your flag. Okay. So my bias for gold is buy. Gold need to go up more for us to buy here. And if it breaks down today because of the FOMC, our bias is still buy. So my bias for gold is buy. My bias for EU is buy. It's simple. USD is weak, I buy throughout the week. JPY is weak, I buy it. I buy against it throughout the week. That's what I do. That's this intraday strategy I use. Adeolu says FOMC will be massive on EU and gold today. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, that's it. So I've analyzed 4 pairs already for you this week. And now is how I'm going to end. You guys know I only do 4 pairs. I've analyzed gold. I've analyzed EU. But like I said, I will drop this also in the group. I'll drop this also in the group. Gold. I'll drop all the analysis for you guys on the group. I hope that helps. Toby Abraham says questions. Let me take your question, Toby Abraham. What are your questions? So for you, for you that you want the order flow course, reach out to Bukola. And for those that are paying today, she will give you she will give you 20% discount for those paying today. Those that paid last week, all of them, they paid $300. So it's back to 400, it's back to 500. So Kocha, all of you that you are paying today, reach out to Bukola now and pay for the program, which is you get it for $400 today. Those paying today, you get it for $400. And if you're buying the COT course also, you get it for $197. Yeah, okay. Great. What's up? Come on, go with you. So get that. And for my books, if you have not read 7 Battles Every Trader Must Fight and Win, I don't know why you have not. Go and get that book. It will help you. It's a mountain challenge. It's not, it's a real challenge. 7 battles every trader must fight and win. Every battles every trader must fight and win. So if you're paying today for the order block, order flow chain strategy, the intraday strategy we just launched is crazy. The trading for is crazy. The first trade we posted on the group gave 1 to 28. That is $10 give 280. Hmm. The reason why we didn't drop trade today now is because of the FOMC. Hmm. It's crazy. So if you are missing out, but if you are good with your strategy, you just want to learn COT report, okay? Reach out to Bukola. She will give you the course for $197. Okay? That's for COT report only. So you know how to analyze with you know how to you analyze the chart with the yourself. What's your question? You guys go and buy this book. Let me drop the link also on the go and buy that book. Tell this guy, tell the where's your question, Tosin? Okay, so Tosin says the index. If we have two currency index week, what will be the direction? No direction now. The institutions are not putting money now. You understand? Ignore it. Only trade. Yeah, sport last week. Congratulations. That's good. Caller, she will have you give you access to the course, COT reports, training, and if you have issues with your trading, get the battles. Seven battles. Seven battles will deliver you. Seven battles will deliver you. Are you still hold? How many of you are still in profit on GJ? How many of you are still in profit on GJ? How many of you are still in profit for GJ? GJ is manifesting, but like I said, it's not the best of the trade because of FOMC. So once you see reasonable profits, please hold your profits. Hold your profits. I think it should be in about 20 to about 50, 10 to 15 pips profit right now. Hold your profit and take profit. Sorry, that's what I mean. Take profit. So make sure you take profit. Okay, that will save you from up and down. Bukola, I'm in class now. Bukola, every Omonosan Adekunle says every strategy works when it is in alignment with the order flow. And yes, that's it. I'm still in profit. Thanks, boss. You're welcome. Merci. Namaste. West also says he's in profit. Fantastic. Good. Can we call it a day today? Have I added to you this week? Ó ń gbé mi fò, ó ń gbé mi sáré, ọlá Olúwa. Lórí ayé mi. You're welcome. West question says, uh, one question, sir. Go ahead. Where's your question? Get the book, reach out to the number scrolling on the screen. Get the book, it will help you. I poured out my mind in that book. Make sure you are using your calculator, is important. Is there any WhatsApp group where notification for training like this is announced ahead of time? I just saw this training now. It's quite unfortunate that you're rounding up. So Matthew, what you will do, chat up with Bukola, chat up with the number scrolling on the screen that you want to be added to the broadcast list. Chat up with the number scrolling on the screen. So, and request you want to be added to the broadcast list. Entry issue. Wow, wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Alex, for this feedback. But like I said, the journey is still fine. FOMC is 7 p.m. and 7:30 today, West African time. Just stay calm from the market. You're a real great blessing to me. Thank you so much. How much is the book? The book is $14, but there's a 50% discount. You get it for $7. $7. That's about 5,000 naira if you're in Nigeria. But anywhere you are in the world, go to the Telegram group and click on the link to buy. You will have access to the book once you make payment. Okay, that'll be all for today. Thank you so much for joining. My name is Mayowa Owolabi. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Omosoya says, how do I know a currency is weak? COT report or index or monthly chart? COT reports, monthly index or currency chart, currency index. Monthly charts, either you use your monthly chart to know what the trend is saying, or you use currency index, which I've taught you guys before, or you use COT report. Anyone you use, you are good. Just that I love COT report. There's a way I interpret COT report that makes my trading better for the week. The people in the Discord group are happy. They are in massive profit. Mine is in profit. GJ. Those in the mentorship group. Those ones, their head is correct. With so many trainings. I have trained them, that you don't have option that to succeed. Okay, guys, I think we are good. We've spent 9 minutes extra. So if you're interested in the book, click the link. If you're interested in the course, you still have 20% discount to join. Reach out to the number scrolling on the screen. And if you're interested in the book, to reach out. If you're interested in COT report, how to trade the institutional data, reach out to Bukola to get the report, and you're going to be good to go. Have a pleasant. Okay, guys. What will you say to my team? What will you say to my team, guys? And what will you say? Fantastic. Adewale says, I think you can analyze AUD for me. Is buy. Yeah, that's what I said now. I said AUD is buy. There's no need to analyze now. Now go to your chart and interpret it to look for a buy. Okay, guys. Have a pleasant evening. I'll see you guys tomorrow where we'll talk about cryptocurrency. Bye-bye.